Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Hope you are resonating with the reading. So let's see what is in store today. Okay, Dwarapatra and Ivory of the Wish Fulfilling Cow. So overall looks good. But when I see the Dwarapatra, I feel you have been into a lot of chaos, confusions, expecting some good thing to happen your way, and now you're getting clarity onto how it has to happen, and maybe the time has come that your whatever it is that you want, it happens, and you become you I would not say lucky, you become successful in achieving what you wanted, and things work in your favor, and you receive the blessings from the divine. So today I feel the card is apt because it is just an indication that the divine is going to bless you, and the divine is going to give you all the happiness that you desire. So what more do we need in life when the divine is ready to bless? So maybe today I feel the color should be white, and today somehow I have a feeling that just relax, because since the Dwarpatra has come, I feel a lot of good things are coming your way. So we don't need to worry about anything at all, and we just need to relax and be happy that all the good things are coming to us and everything is going to work out in our life. Because even the next card, if you see, the ivory wish fulfilling crow, sorry, is nothing but whatever we want we will get. Because if you see that it is more like manifestation. You just surrender, but one thing I want to say here, I feel surrender to the divine, and I'm sure the divine is going to give you whatever you want. It is just that sometimes we think we need it, but it is not something that we really deserve it, or that is really that we should get, because what we are asking may also bring sufferings in the future. So I feel tell the universe, tell the divine what you want, and let the universe decide. And I also feel, because the crow has come, maybe you are dehydrated health wise today. So keep yourself hydrated, keep yourself healthy, and give your health also a priority. So today just rest and just let go of everything. Don't break your heads with anything at all. So today the color should be white, and if possible do the Surya Mudra, because since I felt dehydration is there, maybe the body also needs energy. So just do Surya Mudra for 10 minutes whenever you get time, and I'm sure you'll feel happy and brisk. Have a beautiful day ahead.